Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Aqua Pet kit on the market. The Dan&Darci Aqua Fairy Water Gel Kit for Kids. This creative toy set offers a magical experience where kids can create their own squishy water pets, such as unicorns, dinosaurs, and other whimsical shapes, bringing imagination to life in a fun and hands-on way. The process is simple yet captivating. You start by adding the colorful gels into the molds, then dip them into a special water solution. Instantly, the gels transform into adorable, squishy water elves that can be stored and played with in the included aquarium jar. It's a unique mix of crafting and play that keeps kids entertained for hours. This all-in-one kit is thoughtfully designed to provide everything needed for a complete experience. Inside the box, you'll find 7 basic color gels, 2 glitter gels, and a glow-in-the-dark gel that adds an extra layer of sparkle and fun. 6 different molds let kids choose their favorite shapes, while the gelling solution pellets, strainer, and jar with lid help bring their creations to life and keep them safe. For parents, the included disposable gloves and detailed instruction manual ensure the crafting process is clean and stress-free. One of the standout features of this kit is the glow-in-the-dark and glitter gels, which add a magical sparkle to the water pets. These elements make playtime more exciting and visually engaging, especially for kids who love bright, shimmering, and glowing effects. Not only is this product designed for fun, but it also encourages creativity and fine motor skills in children ages 6 to 12. It makes a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or just a surprise activity to inspire imaginative play and crafting skills. The kit is compact and lightweight, making it easy to store and perfect for both home use and travel. The included jar acts as a mini aquarium, so kids can safely keep their water pets for hours, extending the fun beyond just making them. Overall, the Dan&Darci Aqua Fairy Water Gel Kit combines creativity, science, and play in a way that's both enjoyable and educational. It's a wonderful choice for any child who loves crafts and magical creatures, providing endless opportunities to create, dip, and play. If you're looking for an engaging craft kit that offers a magical and interactive experience, this Aqua Fairy Water Gel Kit is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and fun finds.